Welcome, 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 my dear friends. Myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. Would like to welcome you all in this new video in the series of Ayurvedic Kashayas from the South India. This is Dhanvantharam Kashay, the drug review of a special decoction that is Dhanvantharam Kashay. Myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic Medicine, that is Kaya Chikitsa, and MD in Ayurvedic Physiology, that is Kriya Sharir. My WhatsApp number is 92268106330. Why I am making this series? Every video I am repeating the same things, that in South India, Ayurvedic Kashay medicines are very popular and they are proved to be most effective. My dear friends, I am very happy to tell you, sometimes when I worked in the foreign countries, like for example, America, Switzerland, Germany, Italy, and Spain, I visited from 1993 to 2014, 20 years. Yes, either 1 month or up to the 3 months. I visited for Ayurvedic propagation, and there I used to use Ayurvedic medical oils prepared from the South India. Yes, and I found those oils are very, very powerful, very effective for the treating the patients. Similarly, in my medical practice in India, I have also used these kashaya or kashaya tablets, and they found it extremely useful. So these kashayas or kashaya tablets are less exposed in the middle and north part of the India. This particular kashaya has a reference from Ashtanga Hridaya. Ayurvedic pharmacies like AVN, Tamil Nadu, CNS, Kerala, AVP, Tamil Nadu, and AVS, Aryavaidya Kottakkal are very famous companies which prepare this type of the medical decoctions or the oils or the ghees also. So this is Dhanvantharam Kashay. You can see this is what you can say the Vaidyaratnam, and this is Dhanvantara Kwatha Goliya. That is, the tablets are also available. So this particular decoction or the Kashaya is the best medicine for musculoskeletal and neurological problems in the medical practice. This is the drug review explaining you the contents, properties, uses, and doses. Dhanvantharam Kashay is the best medicine for arthritic problems, backache problems, paralysis, and cerebral palsy, facial palsy, or also the cerebral palsy. Paralysis means hemiplegia, quadriplegia, Bell's palsy, but cerebral palsy in the children can also have the best treatment with this Dhanvantharam Kashay. What are the contents? First is the Bala, which is in Latin Stida cordifolia. This is the Balya. As the name suggests, Bala is for Balya, strengthening your physical strength as well as the mental strength. But basically, muscles and bones, they become strong when you use the Bala herb. Whenever there is a Dhatu Kshayajanya Vata deficiency, diseases are there, like vitamin B12 deficiency, vitamin D deficiency, calcium deficiency. Then in spite of using only that particular, what you can say, the B complex or vitamin supplements, I will recommend that you must use this Dhanvantharam Kashaya internal. Okay. Dashamula, 10 roots, Laghu Panchamula and Bruhat Panchamula. This is the best analgesic. Dashamula is very famous medicine for Vata problems, pain-related problems. Ashwagandha, Withania somnifera, is an immunomodulator. It will boost up your normal immunological processes. Shatavari, Asparagus racemosus, it's rich in like phytocalcium, I can say phytocalcium, okay, herbal origin from the related with the calcium. Trifala, Haritaki, Bibhitaka, and Amalaki. This is the best Vata Anulomak. Peristaltic movements are good, cell membrane permeability will be good, nerve conduction will be good, hormonal transport will be good. So that is all included in the Vatanulomak. Manjishtha rubia cordifolia is a detoxification for Pitta and Pitta dosh and Rakta Dhatu. Sariva, Hemidesmus indicus, Pitta and Rakta Shamak. This is very cooling herb. So whenever there is excessive heat in the body because of your bad habits like alcohol, smoking, late nights, excessive screen time, then this cooling herb, Sariva, is the best to cool down your body and also makes the regeneration possible. Okay. In the heating environment, regeneration is not possible for the muscles or for the bones or for the cartilages. Remember these things. Punarnava, anti-inflammatory and helps in cellular regeneration. As the name suggests, Punah means new and Nava. I'm sorry, Nava means new and Punah means again. So again new, again new. Punaha Navaha, Punaha Nava, again new. So whenever there is a problem with the organ failure, like liver failure, kidney failure, heart failure, brain failure, we used to use this Punarnava herb in our medical practice. Deshpande, licorice, Glycyrrhiza glabra, soothing, anti-ulcer, anti-inflammatory. Lal Chandan, red sandalwood, coolant for the body and mind. These are the contents, Bala, Ashwagandha, Shatavari roots that we are using, okay? Then Punarnava, very good plant, Triphala, Haritaki, Bibhitak and Amalaki. Haritak, Bibhitak and Amalaki, that is Triphala. Dhanvantaram Kashaya, Ayurvedic actions. On the dosha, this is Vata and Pitta Shamak. So naturally, it prevents the degeneration and also it controls the autoimmune pathology because many diseases are autoimmune. You know the famous 3 diseases which are having the pathology according to modern medicine: autoimmunity, autoimmune problems, autoimmune problems. What is happening? Self body is fighting as an enemy with the self body cells. Our body cells are fighting with our own body cells. That is unfortunate, but that is called as a autoimmune pathology. And that can be controlled by this particular Dhanvantharam Kashay. Rheumatoid arthritis is autoimmune disease. Psoriasis, autoimmune disease. Multiple sclerosis, autoimmune disease. So there are many autoimmune diseases, but you can have the control over there by using Dhanvantharam Kashay. Dhatu, Dhanvantharam Kashay is nourishing Rasa Dhatu. It helps for the hemoglobin formation, Rakta Dhatu. Mouse Dhatu, making more strong. Muscle tone is improved and muscle strength is also improved. Okay, Asthi, Asthi Poshak, musculoskeletal system. Majja, neuromuscular activity will be normal, very good activity. Agni, balancing Agni, homeostasis. Triphala is Vatanulomak. So stools will be normal. Srotasa, Dhanvantharam Kashay gives strength to the Rasavaha Srotas, Raktavaha Srotas, Mansavaha Srotas, Asthivah Srotas, and Majjavaha Srotas. Dhanvantharam Kashay is Vatanuloman, so it is very useful for peristaltic normalization, proper nerve conduction. Useful. Dhatu Kshayajanya Vata Prakop. The medicine will be Dhanvantharam Kashay internally and Dhanvantharam oil externally. Don't forget it. Dhatu Kshayajanya Vata Prakop. According to Ayurveda, Vata is disturbed because of the 2 important pathologies. One is a deficiency, protein deficiency, carbohydrate deficiency, fat deficiency, vitamin A, D, E, K deficiency. There is a degeneration. So Dhatu Kshayajanya Vata Prakop, like a cyclone. And another is a Margavarodhajanya Vata Prakop. Some medicines are useful for obstructive phenomena and some Kashayas are useful for the deficiency disorders. Apatarpana Janya Vyadhi, deficiency disorder. What is the word in Ayurveda? Apatarpana Janya Vata Prakop. Dhatu Kshayajanya Vata Prakop. Okay, so this is due to deficiencies of undernourishment, aging process, degeneration, autoimmune pathology, in the rheumatoid arthritis, in motor neuron disease. Best medicine, Dhanvantharam Kashay. Actions. Pharmacological action, alternative, tending to restore the health, adaptogenic, adjust your body according to circumstances, antioxidant. What does it mean? Chemical compound, Dhanvantharam Kashay protects the cell against the effects of free radicals. Free radicals are not good for the body. Antinoception. What is that? Action or the process of blocking the detection of a painful or injurious stimulus by sensory neurons. So it blocks the irritation because of some pain. Okay, nervine tonic, neuroprotective. Nerves are protected, brain is protected, anti-paralytic. So Dhanvantharam Kashay actions is anti-rheumatic or anti-arthritic, anti-inflammatory, analgesic, carminative, antispasmodic. Pain is controlled. Antispasm. Spasm may be in the abdomen. Spasm may be in the muscles. Okay. Uterine tonic. Indications. First group is musculoskeletal problems like arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, RA. May be positive, may be seropositive or seronegative in both. Osteoarthritis, neck pain, back pain with constipation, Tifla is there in Dhanvantharam Kashay, cervical spondylosis, lumbar spondylosis, muscle wasting, atrophy of the muscle, weight loss because of the TB, tuberculosis, Raj Yakshma, cancer, HIV, AIDS, malnourishment. You can use Dhanvantharam Kashay. Muscular weakness, muscle pain because of the deficiency. Neurological problems like hemiplegia, facial palsy, quadriplegia, or cerebral palsy. Please check my video. I have made a complete video on rheumatoid arthritis as well as I have a video on cerebral palsy. It can be used for hernia because in the hernia, you know what is happening. Muscles are weak, abdominal muscles are weak and intestines are protruded. That is hernia. Hydrocele, okay. Dhanvantharam Kashay doses 5 to 10 ml or half to 1 tablet 3 times in a day for children and adult. In the middle-aged people, strong people, 4 teaspoons of the decoction. Or if you want to take the tablet because it is very easy to consume, it is portable. So 2 tablets morning, afternoon and evening. Dhanvantharam Kashay can also be used combined. I am giving you another medicines, combined medicine. Dhanvantharam Tailam 101 and Kshirabala Tailam 101 soft gel capsules are available. Soft gel capsules. So either of you can use with Dhanvantharam Kashay. These capsules can be used 1 capsule morning, afternoon, evening. Okay. So this is a total adjuvant effect, complementary to each other. Dhanvantharam Kashay is more useful in Vata problem or Vata people, Pitta predominant Prakriti, Vata Pitta predominant Prakriti or Vata Pitta predominant health problems. Dhanvantharam Kashay, when you are giving internally, what else you can do? You can apply warm sesame oil or Narayan oil. Narayan means Shatavari. Narayan oil application to the joints, or you can make the full body massage Abhyanga as per the problem. SOS, as and when required. Yapana Basti you can take from Ayurvedic Vaidyas, nourishing. This is a nourishing medicated enema. Yapana Basti. Full body oil massage. Ayurveda Academy also does all this Panchakarma and oil massages. If anybody wants or anybody is in Pune, Maharashtra state, I mean Pune, Maharashtra state, you can definitely WhatsApp me, Doctor, I want to do Panchakarma, I want to do full body massage. Yes, we in Ayurvedic Academy, different therapists and doctors are available to do this type of massages. So oil massage can be done with Dhanvantharam Kujambu. What is Kujambu? When oil and ghee mixed together, it is Kujambu preparation. Safety. In therapeutic doses, no problem. Well tolerated, no side effects. Dhanvantharam Kashay Pathya. You must do as a prevention joint exercises when there is no pain. During the pain, don't do any exercise. Whenever there is a pain, complete rest is essential. Neck and back exercises can be done. Snehana and Svedana. Oil application and fomentation. Physiotherapy exercises. You can do deep breathing exercises. Sun salutation. Rule out whenever you take this treatment, Dhanvantharam Kashay for neurological problems, musculoskeletal problem, you must try to see whether the patient is suffering from hypertension, diabetes mellitus, anemia. Why there is a weight loss? You must find out the original cause and treat that cause also. Yes. Why? Because Ayurveda says, Sanshepataha Kriya Yogo Nidana Parivarjanam. What is the most important part in the management? To control the root cause, to treat the root cause. Apatya. No, no, no. No chickpea, green pea, field bean, moth bean, cowpea. This is all Vata Prakopak, gas, constipation, pain in the abdomen. So no peas and no beans. Vata Prakopak Ahar Vihar should be avoided. Non-veg is heavy to digest, forming the arm, so avoid it. No alcohol, no smoking, and no late nights. Also, Pitta Prakopak, food like severe chili and spicy, pungent, sour, salty. This will create the heat in the body and more degeneration will be there. Remember, whenever there is autoimmune problem, this is the problem of degeneration. Huh? No fasting, no dieting, no air conditioning, no exposure to the cold atmosphere because stiffness will be occur. Dhanwantharam Kashay manufacturers, Aryavaidya Shala Kottakal, Aryavaidya Nilay, Aryavaidya Pharmacy Coimbatore, and Nagarjuna Ayurvedic Group. My dear friends, this is educational video. As usual, warning, no self-medication, please. वैधानिक इशारा, कौन सी भी बीमारी में यथावश्यक यथाकाल वैद्य के सलाह लेना जरूरत है. If you are suffering from rheumatoid arthritis, cervical spondylosis, hemiplegia, if you want to do any panchakarma or massages, go to nearby Vaidya. I am not saying come to me, but if you want, Ayurvedic Academy is there to help you because I have the expert team of doctors and teachers. So my WhatsApp number is 922-6810-630. I wish that you maybe like this video. So please don't forget to share this video, thumbs up, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I wish you all the best and take care. Bye bye. I wish you all the best.